My name is Carl Rosler. I'm a partner in a law firm called Hammonds in the London office, and my specialism is working in the field of gambling law regulation. Recently I was asked to write a book. It was a fairly major project that I was going to be involved in, and it was then that I'd heard some things or read some articles on the internet about how speech software was really developing very, very well and had become much more sophisticated, and so I thought it was worth giving it a try for that particular project. I think the first thing that really is a surprise to anyone, is a delight to anyone, is just the fact of being able to speak and see the words appear on the page. And that might sound quite a naive thing to say, but it's a bit like the first time you use a mouse, or the first time you move from a cursor to a mouse. You just feel much more natural and in tune with the way that the computer's working. It kind of understands you more than you ever imagined it would. And I think after that, the thing that a lot of people say to me whenever I talk about the software is they say, well, surely it must take ages to train the voice and it must take hours and hours. And the answer was, within about half an hour of starting it, I was dictating at pretty much normal speed. The CAP Electronic CAP Commerce CAP Directive was adopted on June the 8th, 2000, full stop. Its main objective is to contribute to the proper functioning of the internal market. Lawyers are a business which use words a lot. Our basic output is faxes, letters of advice, documents, contracts, and so anything which can increase the process, speed up the process, and in fact make it more relaxing to do is a real benefit. I mean, it really affects the bottom line. It affects how fast we can work, how quickly we can serve our clients. Select Financial Services Committee. Cap that. Select Frank's Financial Services Committee. Bold that. It also allows you to get a draft out late at night or early in the morning when there might not be support people around. So you can work on your own more easily. And it's quite fun. It's easy to think without using a keyboard. You don't have to worry about the spellings and the punctuation. It is a very natural way of communicating quickly onto a page. There aren't many computer programs that know reductio ad absurdum straight off without being taught it. And that, its size of vocabulary is just enormous. Of course, e-commerce has to be seen in the overall the fact that you can walk around the office or pick up a book and quote directly from it and just see the text appear. It gives you such a boost when you're trying to get a document into shape really quickly. Select Act. Cap that. Full stop. New line. Those people who now are perhaps uncertain about using it will find that it's just a no-brainer. It becomes difficult not to have it. So I think that we're coming into a revolution in using speech to control our computers. This product has allowed me to do something that I couldn't do otherwise. I've written 250,000 words of a book at the same time as doing my day job, and I did it in 6 months. I couldn't have done that. It's allowed me to communicate in French, in writing, in a way that I can't, because although I speak French, my grammar is absolutely terrible. So I can converse with my French clients without any problem. And that's quite remarkable, to see a computer doing something that you can't actually do yourself. It never goes to sleep, it never gets tired, it's quick, it's easy. Kind regards, Carl. Send. Dragon Naturally Speaking enhances my ability to get documents out quickly, and I think it's probably the most important innovation that I've had in my office for 10 years.